Today, a delegation of LEGO minifigures are going on tour on a double-decker train. The purpose of the trip is to visit the highest point in my room. Let's find out to get there. First train arrives at the snow town. Second, it goes over the bridge and into the depot. Eventually, we found the path that leads to the top. On the way up, we visited the Gold Town. Finally, we are on the top of the room. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.